Hey guys, and welcome back to the farm. Today is Sunday, and we're just going to do a little bit of a recap of what we have done all weekend. The past week held a lot of the every day-to-day things like mixing grain, getting feed brought home, and even the addition of a couple new babies. But other than that, it's been a lot of the same things. And goodness, Grandma, are you messy? With our barn, there was originally half tie stalls, half stanchions. But what we're running into is the cows have been breaking off all parts of the stanchions, the top and the bottom. After a lot of different repairs, some of them are just to the point that they're unrepairable. What we have found that works better is doing these stall conversions, and it's still relatively economical, and the cows seem to be a lot happier. Okay, so we also put in their ear tags and did some horning this morning. Yes, all of the guys at my house are thrilled with the pink ear tags, but that's what happens when Mom shops for this stuff and they don't. And then we just used dehorning paste. There have been a few I've missed over the years, which is real frustrating, but I find it's probably the least painful option for them because you can do it when they're the youngest. So that is the other thing we've been doing with these little ladies. I would say there's 3 coming up relatively quick. We're still waiting on Arlen to calf, and Rose and Lily are both getting up there to where they're going to be real close to calving as well. Okay guys, so now that we're done with the basic everyday farm chores, we are gonna call it a night. And
there's 2 people coming, not just me.
I see that. Apparently I'm gonna get run over by a little dude here, or a little lady, my bad. So, try to get some of their zoomies out. Run with this.
You're supposed to move, honey. That was the whole thing.
Yes, well, I didn't realize you were going to run me over.
No, I didn't.
Valid. She's the one who actually ran me over. So, if you like small farm, dairy farm, family farm,
Move this time.
cute content with lots of baby calves and old equipment, stall barns, all of that kind of stuff, please subscribe and follow along. And I'm gonna give you guys the names of a couple other farm channels that we like to watch, and we will catch up with you guys later this week. Alright, so a couple more of the channels that we watch pretty regularly are the Ranching Sodak, Saskatchewan Kid, and Dairy on the Prairie. I'm going to drop their link in the description and also put their name down in the comments for you guys to be able to find them as well. They're definitely not the same type of farms as we are, but they're a lot of fun to watch. So I hope you guys give them some love and check them out as well, okay?